Tell me exactly what you think of it. All right, so today I'm going to be making a cheesecake. I got it from a YouTube creator named SHOCKS. It has a secret ingredient that I'm not going to reveal until I'm doing my tutorial today. But I'm also going to do a reaction video of my family tasting this cheesecake for the first time and not being aware of the secret ingredients. So stay tuned so you can see those reactions, and we're going to get it right into it right now. All right, so we're going to be making the crust first, and we're making it out of the Nabisco graham crackers. So we're going to use 2 packs. We're going to blend them up. When we blend them, we're only going to blend one at a time because they're going to be 2 different consistencies. Also going to need some butter for the crust. I'm just using regular butter. The recipe calls for vegan butter. So I'll be heating this up to soften it. So we're going to take this off and put these in here. Like so. We have the butter here. We're going to take that and we're going to crumbs into the batter here. Into the butter, to the butter, and have those. We're going to save out 2 of those. Just like that. This looks good. So it's not going to be as pulsed as the other, and we're going to stick that in there too. So I'm going to make the crust. So it's going to start to form here, where we'll be able to put it into our cheesecake pan. Some parchment paper and cut it out the size of the bottom of the pan. Alright, so we're going to take this here and we're going to put it into the pan. Alright, and we're going to just pack it down like so. We're going to put all of this in there. We have the other pack down in there. We're going to pack it around the sides. And the crazy thing is this is the second video I done made that's like a sweet treat. And I'm not even a sweet eater to that extent. You know, I don't even really eat sweets. It just happened to fall like that. That day I made that. You could check out that video too. I made the banana granola peanut butter nice cream. Yeah, check out that video. See, I made that. That tastes really good. Simple tutorial, just kind of shows you all the ingredients. It's like 5 ingredients in there, so check that out. I'm going to stick this in the freezer. We'll get started with the filling. I just turned on the oven and to preheat it to 350. So we're going to use 2 cups of cashews. And cashews is a real staple in my kitchen because I use them to make all kinds of sauces. I make cashew butter, things like that. So I'm going to put 2 cups of cashews in here. And then we're going to put just enough water in there to cover across the top of the cashews, and we're going to boil it for about 15 minutes. While the cashews are boiling, I am going to show you what the special ingredient is, the surprise ingredient is for this cheesecake. Are you ready? It is, you guessed it, chickpeas. Or maybe you didn't guess it. But it's chickpeas. I was very, very shocked when I saw this, but I was very, very intrigued as well. So what I wanted to do is go ahead and try it out for myself. So let's go ahead and continue. We're going to use the chickpeas. We're going to drain off the aquafaba, and then we will continue with putting everything else together. So this is the surprise ingredient, so we're going to work with that right now. We're going to drain off the aquafaba. Drop the chickpeas into the blender. We're using the blender again. A tablespoon and a half of vanilla extract. Add to it. Let me shake it up a little bit. There we go. There. It's quite a bit of vanilla extract, but we're going to use a can of coconut milk, and it's going to be the unsweetened kind. So we're going to add that in there. And we're also going to use about a half a cup of maple syrup. I use maple syrup in a lot of my recipes that I use as my sweetener because I don't use sugar. So let's put that in there. We're going to use almond butter. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Let's go ahead and blend it up. Oh, it smells really good. So we're going to make sure it's smooth enough. Taste it for taste to make sure it's a good consistency. It looks like we could probably smooth it out just a little bit more. So I'll blend it up a little more. I'm just gonna oh my goodness. No, nobody will ever know that this was chickpeas, that's for sure. We're getting ready to do a little lemon zest in here. I'm gonna need a little sea salt. So let's go ahead and zest up some lemon into the mix. Be squeezing the lemon in there also. Yeah. Pinch of sea salt in there, so like so. We've boiled our cashews. So I'm going to go ahead and put them into the mixture that we just created here. And we're also going to do the 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. You want to do it really fast. So I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to go ahead and blend it up really fast here. Get this going. There we go. It's supposed to come out as a creamy consistency, so we shall see. I'm going to grab the crust out of the freezer. And we're going to move really quickly to put this into the, pour this in there. It should be kind of creamy. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see it. Pour it in. As you can see, it's thick. And we're going to fill this pan up like so with the cheesecake. You're going to shake it into place like that. And remember, we saved these graham crackers here. We're going to take a couple and we're going to crumble and just put a little crumble across the top here like so. Cheesecake looks like so. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put this in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. At about 30-minute mark, I'm going to go ahead and check it. So I'm going to have Siri set a timer. Hey Siri, set my timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, counting down.
All right, so the cheesecake is done. It looks great. And I'm going to take it out of the oven here and take a look at that. We're going to set it here to let it cool down for about an hour to an hour and a half and put it in the fridge to set overnight. And here is the strawberry topping that I made. I didn't record it. However, I did put the recipe in the description so you could check it out there. Okay, here's the first reaction to my cheesecake. I'm getting ready to have someone taste it. This is just a random person, though. It's actually
her daughter.
My daughter. She's gonna taste it. She doesn't know what it's made of. She doesn't know any ingredients. She doesn't know anything. So we're getting ready to have her taste it.
I got it. Cover your mouth. It's good. Excellent. Wonderful. Delicious. Yummy.
Hey! No, seriously, do you like it? Yeah. Is it good? It tastes good? Okay, great.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Don't eat strawberries. You don't have to eat.
Can we get you a plain piece, please?
There'll be a spot where you sit. That's
Smell good.
my main priority
Right.
now. Like, can I sit?
Almond is so good. I like it.
Like
It's good.
It's good? Keep telling me what you think about it.
It reminds me of Christmas.
Christmas, okay.
It's good.
All right.
Christmas. It's so good I had to share. Oh my God. So good. It really is good though. Seriously. It kind of tastes like those Biscoff cookies a little bit too.
Yeah, it does. I like how
Those butter cookies are really good.
oats.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Whoop.
Pretty good, right?
Wow, who made it? You?
I made it, and tell me what you think.
Okay. It's different, but it's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Tell me what you think.
The texture is different.
It's
but
different.
Still good.
It's good. Different texture, but it tastes good.
And I can tell it's no sugar.
No sugar. Okay. Awesome. Tell me exactly what you think of it.
It tastes peanut butter.
No peanut butter, and no peanut butter in that.
I'm gonna taste like peanut butter.
Nothing, no peanut butter in there. How does my glaze taste? The glaze is strawberry, orange, maple. And it's cooked, so you could have ate some. Yeah. You like it, you taste, you're telling me what you taste, but what do you think about it? I mean, good, bad, otherwise, does it taste like?
It's good cheesecake texture, but the texture feels a little grainy.
Mm-hmm.
So it's something grainy in there.
Okay.
But I taste peanuts. Or peanut butter.
So overall, what would you give it?
I'd give it an 8.
An 8? Awesome. Everybody, I'm getting ready to reveal to everybody what this cheesecake was made out of. All right.
Am I ready for this?
The cheesecake was made out of
Chickpeas.
That's the grainy.
It has cashews in it too.
Cashew nuts. And cashew nut mix of butter.
It also has almond butter. Y'all ready to find out what was this cheesecake right here is made out of?
What, Mom?
Beans.
Hemp seed.
What did you say?
Beans.
What do you say?
Hemp.
All right, what you thinking?
And oats.
Somebody
Let's
said
say
oats.
oats.
Yeah, everybody saying oats. What you think this cheesecake made out of?
Meat.
I don't eat meat. Beans. All right, so Ray and Terry's the closest is made out of chickpeas.
That's easy.
Chickpeas.
Do we need to play the video back?
All right. The cheesecake. She's got one. Go ahead, Queen.
Oh my God. Yes.
Yes.
If I didn't know
What
what
would
I
you
was
give it?
eating, I wouldn't have known.
What would you give it?
I actually, for me doing it myself, I think I could perfect it just a little bit more. I'll probably give it a 9.
All right. Solid 9. Congrats.
All right, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video today. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know what you thought about the video and also what you thought about the surprise ingredient. And I'm going to check you out on the next video. Thank you for watching.